Open my favorite, Jungkook.
Jungkook?
Yes, okay. And look at the back, they're so handsome. Wow. Yes. BTS. What's up, guys? And for today's vlog, we will open a BTS doll. Yes, with Erin Chang. Okay? So let's go and let's open this newly bought BTS doll featuring Jungkook and RM. Alright, let's go. What's up, guys? Ayan, we're here at and I don't know what name is that. We're going to buy BTS doll. And it's 80% off right now. Kaya come on. Ayan, guys. And only RM and Jungkook is left. Jungkook. And now it's only 540 yen. We're going to go there. Of Erin's doll, and this time they will going to have a daddy. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you excited to open
Yeah.
the BTS dolls?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Which one are you going to open first?
The green.
Yes, this is RM.
RM.
Yes, and this is Jungkook.
Jungkook.
Right. Yeah. This is Erin's mini castle. RM.
RM.
Okay, choose which one you're going to open first. This one, RM? Daddy RM? Okay. Ate Erin wants to open RM first. Yeah, from 2,700 I bought this BTS doll for only 500 yen. Yes, or $5. Come on, let's go and open RM. This is RM. Look at the shoes. Yeah. Now we're going to open Jungkook. Okay, you put it there. Funny. They have Korean daddy and American mommy and a Japanese kids.